Rhythms of Indus. Now we move to the land of wonders, passing through the Sawat, Kahan, and Malam Jabba valleys, lush green mountains. We are among our Pashto and Hindko speaking fellows. The folk music of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has a rich age-old tradition. Like mountain warriors, it rides the horse and moves fast. Here with us today is the famous singer of Pashto and Hindko, Bakhtawar Qayyum. She has been brought up in a rich folk tradition. Her grandfather traveled from Kabul and settled here. She is presenting a Pashto song, Bibi Shireen, which says, "My beloved, you are as pretty as the little yellow flower." Your cheers for Bakhtawar Qayyum, ladies and gentlemen.
Bibi Shirini zardgule riban deva java sursha junal suna Bibi Shirini